from MrCampbellRocks.com, former middle and high school English teacher, now working as an administrator. So I had some requests to record a tutorial on how to save all of the cool things that we're learning and being shown in Teachers Using Google Suite for Education. So this is obviously the Facebook group, and there's 70,000 members almost. They should probably hit that by the end of the week. And there's amazing things being shared in here. And somebody asked, how do we save all of those? And if you already know, awesome. If not, this tutorial is for you. So once you're in the group and you're going through messages and you see things that you like, right? So this is one that came up today that Google Meet, or the grid view for Google Meet, had an update. So this is something that I wanted to save so I could send out to my teachers. Right here on this individual post, you're going to see three dots horizontally. And I'm going to click on Save Post. Now what you'll see right here is I have this little blue bookmark that shows up here, and it says I have 5 unopened saves this week, or I can add this to a collection. When I click on collection, I can have it go to the one that I already have, which is for later, or I can create a new collection, and let's just call this Google Meet, and then I click create. And what that does is if Facebook will then pull that post into my saved folder called Google Meet, so that I can look at that later, right? So that's the first portion, is actually saving that. The second portion is where to then retrieve those after you've saved them. So what you're gonna do is we're gonna jump to my home page. So when I go to my home page, you'll see your news feed up here. You'll have all of your shortcuts to groups if you've organized them this way or not. Then you'll have all of your other things here. And down in the Explore tab, when you click on See More, there's a little button that says Saved, and you can click on that. What I recommend, right, is taking the facebook.com/saved and just bookmarking it, or dragging this to your nav bar right here. And I'll show you what that does in just a second. But now it pulls up all of my saved articles. So here is the link that Amy shared a couple 6 or 7 hours ago. These are ones that I have saved for later, right? Questions about different things going on. So again, if I click up here, remember I saved it in my favorites, it'll take me straight to that homepage. I can create as many collections as I want. I can organize them however I want. Once I'm done with this, you'll see that a little X shows up over here, and if I click on unsave, I could unsave that. So I'll just go down here to this little Giphy one here, and I will click on the GIF. And are you sure you want to do this? Yep. So this has been a quick tutorial on how to save posts from pages into collections and folders. If this saved you time, energy, and frustration, go ahead and like and subscribe. Again, I love you, I appreciate you, and I'm glad that you're here.